Hey guys, it's Diamond. Yes, and today I want to show you guys the first the first generation in my shop, because the design is the old design that I was just open the account, and because when I just opened the account in the last year, and I don't have too many customers, and even there are so few members in my shop, so there are some very good design of the pocket didn't have the opportunity to show you guys, but today I just make this custom order, and I'm so happy that she chose the first generations pocket I have. So I just want to show you guys again, and tell you guys about these pockets are so useful. Yes, okay. So this is an A6 regular size of a notebook. Yes, and with a button closures here. And let's open it up. You can see here are two open pockets, and one side is here has two quick card slots here, so we can put your cards here. Yes, this has two card slots, quick card slots here, and we can put the card slots here and open it. It's an e-pocket in the back. Yes, e-pocket in the back. And if you are like to painting or drawing in your notebook, here can let you put a lot of stickers or some small little tabs here too. It's very functional. Yes. On the front is the wing pocket. Yes, and this wing pocket also has two hidden card slots in the back. So we can see this is the first card slot here, and the second is here. So we go to back, we can see here is a middle stitching here in the middle, in the center. So it separates the two card slots here. Okay, and is the second piece of wing pockets here, and also a front small pocket here too. And inside is the folio, so you can just tie the notebook cover to the folio pocket. Yes, and this is two elastic strings here. So this is the first generation pocket design in my shop, but there are I can say they didn't sell a lot, but I just have this opportunity to re-show it again to you guys and tell you guys the functional and useful pockets in my shop. Yes, here. Okay. So this is the and the leather is the old boots. Yes, old boots is also the popular leathers in my shop too. And when we close it, it's just like a hamburger. You can see it's very fat. Yes, very fat. Okay, so I wish you guys after this video you will have more information in these two cards, in these two functional and useful pockets. Okay, you can know more about it. And here I have one more very good news to you guys, because we know we are having a special sale for a Black Friday here. So we can see here is the TWSBI fountain pen. Yes, because I got this fountain pen in last week, and it just very smoothly to writing, and I just love it. You can see I just love it. So I'm thinking, because we are having a special sale event now, so why not just get one TWSBI fountain pens here to be the lottery prize to you guys. Okay, so I get another one, and this is the TWSBI, the Eco editions here. That we can see it's very beautiful, and this is the white one. This is the white one, very beautiful. Yes. And I want to use this fountain pen to be the lottery, and to in the last day of the Black Friday sale, in the last day, and I will to to looking for a lucky guy who, if you guys has spent about $199 in my shop during this event. Okay, not only one order, you can just get the orders together, and the price is over than the $199, and you have the chance to get this pen for free, and we are shipping it to you with the covers too. Okay, so this is a very good event and a good price here. And because I especially love the TWSBI, yes, because why? Because it's just like me, all made in Taiwan. Yes, and we have many Taiwan's good design and functional stuffs in Taiwan, and I just feel TWSBI is just like my idol, because he put the fountain pen to this label and to explore in the world. I feel I just want to be like him. Yes, and he is the fountain pen maker, and I'm the traveler's notebooks maker, and I also have this goal. I want to be the Taiwan designs traveler notebooks in the world, and become a very good company. Yeah, this is my goal. So that's why I chose the fountain pen. I chose the TWSBI here to be the gift for you guys. Okay, so if you guys love it, just remember to make order during this Black Friday sale. It still have about 17 days, so you don't have to be hurried, because it still have 17 days there, and you can just text slowly and look out what you want. And now everything is 15% off and no shipping, so it's just very perfect timing to get the notebook in my shop. Okay, so wish you guys will love it and love all the details and love everything we offered in my shop. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye bye.